Hey, welcome to my video for the next part of how to save money is begin investing. If you are able to pay your bills and you are already put out an emergency fund and are maxing out your employer to retirement match, you may be lucky enough to have some money left over the end of each month. Is it when investing can help boost your saving strategy? There are many different ways to invest. In fact, if you are making contribution to a retirement plan, there you are probably already participating in an investment fund of some sort. While investing is most commonly associated with purchasing and trading individual stock, most beginners find it easily and much safer. To get started with a mutual fund or exchange traded fund ETFs, your 401k or IRA, if you have one, will have a menu of different investments that probably include a target date fund, which is a mutual fund. Those manager adjust the mix of stock and bond as you approach your target retirement years. You can buy a mutual fund, extensively a bundle of stock overseen by a fund manager at a brokerage firms like Screwweb or Fidelity or directly from the fund company itself. Most financial planners recommended index funds which aim to replicate the performance of the stock market as a whole rather than active fund which employ a, portfolio manager attempting to pick winning stock. If you do want some handhold, you called robot advisor using computer algorithm to help match you with a portfolio of index funds based on factors like your age and risk tolerance. While you see your investment grow, robot advisor can make it happen. Okay? One thing to remember. Why investing is the best way to boost your saving and increasing your wealth in the long run. You can lose money and must be willing to tolerate down period in the stock market. Be sure you are having a saving horizon of latest 3 years and preferably long before you get started in investing. Okay, for the next is easy way to save money. There are all short to tips and tricks that experts swear by to help people saving more. No single strategy works for everyone, and sometimes an approach may ever backfire. Ultimately, it depends on what works best for you. Here are some popular ways to save backed by financial advisor and consumer psychology. Okay, automate your saving. Want to save money without ever thinking about it. Then remove yourself from the equation so that you don't have even see your latest saving announcement on payday. Many employers allow employees to split up their paycheck divided. For example, you could fill out paperwork with your company to direct 90% of your payment check to your checking around and to checking account and 10% to saving account. Perhaps even one that you keep at a different bank. Alternately, if your paycheck can only be deposited to one spot, you can set up automatically transfer online from your checking accounts to the linked saving accounts on your payday, even if they are on different banking platforms. Automating helps you behaviorally condition yourself to not think of that as spendable consumable income. Say Pilkington. Okay, next is pay down debit. Some people will tell you paying off debt should be your primary goal before you start focusing on saving money. While it's true that high interest rate debit is credit card or payday loan require more immediate attention, especially if you are behind of payments. It's not urgent to pay off all debit asset. Okay, some debit like federal student loans and mortgages are considered good debits. They have low interest rates, doesn't hurt your credit score, offer tax benefits, and ultimately help you build weather. If you aggressively pay down good debit to the point that you have little or no saving, you run the risk of major turmoil if you run into financial emergency. Your focus should be on the paying of high interest debit monthly and in full. uh, Paying down higher interest rates debit give people guarantees returns, say percent. Okay, that's all for me for this video. Thank you very much.